morning, Raptors, and welcome to Wake Up Raptors, your quick hit news update for everything cool happening inside the Future Fiction Academy. I'm Cassie.
And I'm Melissa. This week's energy is all about conservation. Protect your time, protect your voice, and protect your momentum. Creativity may feel slower than you want, but don't mistake slow for stagnant. A smaller, focused writing session will do more for you this week than a big, chaotic push. Business wise, simplify. Pick one offer, one message, or one audience segment and make it clear. Warning, too many choices can kill momentum faster than a meteor. Outcome, if you focus on one meaningful creative task and one measurable business task, you'll end the week with progress you can actually use. Now let's get right into it because today we've got some juicy little fossil fragments to dig through.
All right, Raptors, buckle up because this next bit of news is big. T-Rex stomping through the visitor center, big. So here's the deal. If you caught EAW's Friday Night Live recently, you have heard the bones rattling. And if you didn't, consider this your official fossil record because the secret is out of the dig site. The 249 FFA membership is closing in May. Let me say that again for the Raptors in the back row. The 249 tier is closing in May and will not reopen until November. We're introducing two brand new membership tiers. The free tier, this is for anyone who's just hatching out of the egg. You'll get access to our free courses that teach you simple prompting to just get started on writing a story. Think of it as your first little raptor steps into the world of AI-assisted writing. No cost, no commitment, just a taste of what's possible. The 99 tier, this is only for authors who are ready to leave the nest. If you're just starting out and want to learn how to publish your first story with AI assistance, this tier is built for you. It's affordable, it's focused, it's designed to get you from I have an idea to I just wrote my first book with AI assistant. The 249 tier is the apex predator of the membership. Everything you know and love stays right here. Updated and experimental workflows, small groups, labs, standalone classes, all of it. If you want the full ecosystem, the cutting edge tools, and the community deep dives, this is where you need to be. And let me be crystal clear about this. Small groups, labs, and standalone classes are exclusively included in the 249 tier. The free and 99 tier will not include those. So if those are the bones you're digging for, you know where to find them. Now, like I said, this info was unearthed by EAW during the Friday Night Live. So if you want to hear it straight from the source, we'll tag this video right here. So if you've been in the fence about the membership, this is your amber preserved moment. Get in at the 249 before it closes in May, or you'll be waiting until November to rejoin. Now, speaking of new things happening inside the FFA, let's talk about some exciting new offers. We've got 4 standalone classes available right now, and they're not messing around. We have AI as a junior editor, where you learn to use AI as your editing partner and not your replacement. Work through a real 74,000 word manuscript and build a complete manuscript overhaul plan. And then we have story discovery in Obsidian. Turn your scattered ideas into connected story threads using Obsidian's canvas as a visual workspace. And then we have build an author writing hub in Notion. Stacy takes you step by step in using Notion AI for writing, publishing, and marketing. And then lastly, we have a women's fiction serial romance with Harper, a full blueprint for writing a 6-part serialized women's fiction romance with AI from start to finish. And right now, all 4 of those classes are 50% off with the code JAF at checkout. Make sure to use all caps. But the deal goes extinct on March 31st at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. So don't let this one fossilize in your bookmarks. We also got a brand new bundle that has dropped. The Advanced AI Tool Starter Kit. It packs 4 courses into one, covering Claude Code, Google's anti-Claude skills, and Obsidian, with step-by-step setup and a hands-on project for each tool. This discount is already baked into the price, so no code needed. I repeat, no code needed. If you want to evolve your toolkit, this bundle is the way to do it. Now, you can find all the links in the description below. Now we move on. I absolutely cannot let this segment end without reminding you about Elizabeth's Notion Intensive. This one is starting in April, and let me tell you, Elizabeth has been working her tail off for this. She's been incredibly thorough, incredibly thoughtful, and laser focused on making sure that anyone who takes this intensive walks away with real systems, real organization, and a real workflow for writing Jaff with Notion AI. If you've been drowning in tabs, losing track of your manuscripts, or watching your writing chaos turn into a full-on dinosaur bone pile, this intensive is for you. It is a cannot miss event, and I am not exaggerating when I say it could change the way you work. So mark your calendars, set your Raptor alarms, and do not let this one pass you by. So yes, this is a lot happening right now. The ground is literally shaking under our feet, and that's a good thing. For those considering the membership, the FFA membership serves as a central hub for all future Fiction Academy offerings. Members receive access to every standalone course, live Q&A sessions, all tools created by the FFA, and additional classes ranging from foundational workflows to advanced automations, publishing strategies, and marketing systems that did not make the transition to standalone classes. The membership is where the full ecosystem comes together, and the link to join is available in the description down below. Now, speaking of FFA memberships, here's Alyssa.
This week's focus is on clarity, choosing the one thing to work on that most likely moves the needle for your goals. So you're going to take down these notes to gain clarity. What goal are you trying to move this month? Finish a draft, launch a book, grow your list, increase your read through, increase monthly income. What is the biggest constraint right now? Choose one. Time, no protected blocks, output, not enough words, /pages, /products, visibility, not enough people finding you, conversion, people seeing it but not buying, retention, readers don't come back. What single action would make that constraint smaller this week? Output, you writing more, visibility, you send 20 readers to one link, you do a promo, you post 3 times for one offer. Conversions, you rewrite the description, you fix your cover /title, you tighten your sales page. Retention, you add in a next in series link, you set up a simple welcome sequence, you improve your back matter. And then finally, note, what will stop you from doing, what will you stop doing so you can do that one thing? Put down a time block on your calendar, treat it like an appointment. Do only that action that you chose. Do a check-in on Sunday. Write down your numbers to show, did you actually move that needle? It is a win if you end with clarity on what you're working on, as well as actually acting on that. That's all for this week's update. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you can stay up to date with the latest FFA news. Leave a comment on your favorite part of this week's update. What kinds of tips and tricks would you like to see in the future? Was this week's tip helpful for you? We added something new to the thumbnail. Can you find our Easter egg? Thanks for waking up with us, Raptors, and we'll see you in the next Wake Up Raptors. Bye.
Bye!